Hi, you guys. Welcome to the very first episode of Sundays with Soumya. My name is Soumya. This is a safe place where we can share what we feel. It's just a small capsule of time where I share what I've been through and what I feel, what I've been going through these days. So it's also a small space where I share whatever inspires me and things that are going on in my life and what I've learned from them. And I know that this is a very, very difficult time for every one of us, and the best thing to do during a difficult time is to share your problems with somebody else, or share it with somebody else, so that the problem itself that is forcing, that feels like it is weighing you down, is not able to weigh you down that much, and you're able to handle things better. So today I'm sorry, that was not the introduction I had planned. It was not supposed to start off way like that, but still we're going to make do with what is, and is what I wanted to say. In the first thing, I just wanted to share a small segment of what I've been feeling these days, that it has been just too much for me to handle. It's like I have no semblance of mental sanity left anymore. I don't know if anybody feels like that, but I do. And it's like I don't know what, like when I wake up, I have all these thoughts in my head just swirling around and round and round, and I don't have one moment of mental peace also. It's like these thoughts are not necessarily, they're not necessarily something that you've got to do or something that you have to do, but they are, they're just going on inside your head. And there is this voice of the inner critic that was there before, but now it is even so much stronger. It is like at you. It's like, you cannot do this, you don't know how to do this, why are you so stupid, you can't do this. The voice of self-doubt is just too loud. Just self-criticism. I know, because when you are going through a difficult time, it is very difficult to hold on to what you thought was important to you. It's like very difficult to hold on to things you thought you were. When everything is falling apart, you don't know what it is. So what I want to share with you today is something that I think is very important, and that is the number one skill that we should learn, is to forgive ourselves and to forgive others. And that, because even though we might have done something that we did not mean to do, or that might have hurt somebody else, so we need to forgive ourselves, because these are not patterns that we have done intentionally. These are not things that we have done intentionally, but these things have happened. We have said things that are hurtful to others, and people are acting out of their normal range. They are not, everybody is at some state of trauma or some state of agony because of whatever is going on. So the most important thing is that we have to forgive ourselves, and we have to forgive ourselves continuously. You forgive yourself for not being able to do something. Forgive yourself for the things not turning out the way they were meant to be. Forgive others for behaving out of range. Forgive others for snapping at you or saying some hurtful things. And spread some love and empathy in the world. And that's it. Tell me what you think about it. This video has a funny halo about it because of the light, but I'll take it. So that was it. Tell me what you think about it, and what else are you feeling these days? Is it like, do you identify with what I said, or do you feel that this is totally out of proportion, or is this me? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next episode of Sundays with Soumya. Please tune in, not tune in. Bye guys. Take care of yourselves.